Yeah, what kind of cable do you need? I got anything you need, no problem. Hey, I got it right here. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're doing an unboxing of the AX1600i. This happens to be the titanium, so it's 80 plus titanium, so it's 93% efficient or better. And we're going to do an unboxing of this baby. Holy crap! Look how this is! This is amazing! Holy macaroni! Now that's pretty slick. So if I want a red label, a white label, a blue label on it to match the insides of my computer, they give you all sorts of stuff. And this is the bag of cables. Just look at that. What an incredible presentation. Holy shit. That's so cool. Wow. That I wasn't expecting at all. I'm in awe. Completely. Ooh. Wow. Holy crap. This thing weighs a ton. Alright, real quick. Let me just see what this thing is. 12 volt rail is 133.3 amps. Oh, Jesus Christ. Look at that thing. Holy crap. Fully modular power supply, people. This is a different type of connector, different type of plug. That I didn't know. I'm impressed with the cable bag. Look at that, it's like a little carrying bag. But when you spend all this money on it, you better be fucking cool. So, this is quite impressive. Look at this thing. This is how it comes, the cables. It's like a little carrying bag. Looks like almost like an ammo belt. Like I can wear this around my belt here. Yeah, what kind of cable do you need? I got anything you need, no problem. Hey, I got it right here. What do you need? You need a PCI Express cable? I got it, no problem. All right, let's go. Let's do the installation.
Okay, we are running the AX1600i. Take a look on the right side of the power supply picture, the image itself. You can see power in and power out. This is a digital power supply and it is monitored by a mini USB port in the back of the power supply and connects to a USB 2.0 header. And this is how we're able to monitor the wattage usage. And then we're going to click on output power here so we can monitor the wattage input, and we can also monitor the input and the output as well. So you can clearly see the efficiency there, the temperature of the power supply, and the fan speed. And the fan is only going to increase when it needs it, not all the time. Okay, so this is the wattage output, so this is what's giving to the computer. This is, as you can see, a Ryzen Threadripper 3960X 24-core processor. We have a slight overclock to it right here. And we're only running at 3.9 gigahertz. No voltage changes. Just want to see what we can do. And we're going to run Cinebench. We're going to run it now. And then we're going to monitor the power usage here. But make no mistake, it's definitely running here. All right, it's booking. All right. So let's go back to the power. We're doing about 280 watts. And we got 13,132 is the score. And we used a decent amount of power there. Let's run that one more time. So it's ripping away. So we're doing about almost 300 watts. So 296 was the max I just saw there. 296 again. And this is booking. We will show you it full window. We're just going to do one more time, but we're not going to monitor the wattage. We're just going to, so you can watch this thing go, because it is pretty impressive. The 1950X Threadripper does that in a little over 7,000. 7,000 points. This is just ridiculously quick. There'll be other power supply. There'll be other video cards in here. 13,111. Alright, so if you clearly see there's 128 gigs of memory in here. Oh, we're running it again. I didn't run it twice. See how the CPUs are all pegged? And we are running the Arctic Freezer 50 in this. And there you go. 13,136. A little bit better each time. So this is, if you are in need of a power supply such as this, I recommend it. It's very efficient, as you can clearly see. The difference between the input and the output wattage. It's like 93, 94%, depending on what it is. Anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. And if you want to become a patron, it'd be greatly appreciated. All it takes is $1 a month to become a patron. So if you want to become a patron, there's a link in the description below if you want to become one to support JoeteckTips. Like I said, $1, that's all it takes. So $12 a year, you become a patron, a supporter of JoeteckTips. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.